There's our bachelor things which we have in our fridge. ಅವಳು ಬದುಕ ಕಲಿಸಿದವಳು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಲಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ.
Actually, he's our gym guy. So, I'm a hotelier in Dubai who's working for Marriott International. You know what? And the best part of in Rimram is, especially when you're working early morning or else late in the evening. Since I came to Dubai, for the first time, I'm looking at this chicken.
We are 4 of us. So me and my chef, like
This is the cricket playground area and it's locked now. It's probably gonna open around like 5 o'clock.
and this is my bed and that is my chef bed.
Hey, does it fight?
Not fight, bite.
So it was only bite, not fight.
Yeah, Habibi.
They say the cost of living in Dubai, it's a lot. Dubai is expensive. And what if I told you the beautiful community which I'm in, we are paying a zero rent, zero community taxes and zero transportation charges from here to our workspace. And today I'm gonna reveal you the hotelier secret. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video on Delve in Dubai. And today we are in Rimram community. You know what? It seems like we are in the ground floor. Actually, somewhere is in the park. But actually, the right now which I'm in, it's first floor. And yeah, so this is the first floor. We do have some game setup for the kids. And this is completely, it's kind of playground area. And somewhere in the corner, on the other corner, we have a BBQ station. Look at this, the kids are playing here. And I know that it's hard to believe it's in the first floor. Wait, I'm gonna take it to the corner. Yeah, I told you, right? And this is the BBQ station. And this is our beautiful community. Actually, it's a lot of buildings are there. That's one more playground area. And in the corner, we have a pool. And somewhere, I think it's on the street, we do have our supermarket. And in the other corner, we have our gym and one more big pool. Yes, this is our community. Ooh, guys, look at this chicken. You know what? Since I came to Dubai, for the first time, I'm looking at this chicken. Is it yours? Is it yours? What's his name?
Anton.
Huh?
Anton.
What?
Anton.
Anton. Oh. Hey, does it fight?
Not fight, bite.
So it was only bite, not fight. You know, it knows how to bite. Now it's learning how to fight. As all of you know, as some of you know, I'm a hotelier in Dubai who's working for Marriott International. And most of the times, if you guys are working for any of the hotels or like some of the companies in Dubai, they're the one who are gonna provide the transportation and accommodation for their employees. And it totally depends which company you're working for. And today in this video, I'm gonna take you to the completely room tour of ours and also our community tour. Oh, so now let's go to our flat. So here is completely its card system. Yes. So in here, like if you want to enter, we need to tap the card. Let's go to our flat. Ta-da! This is the first floor corridor, and in here we have like 4 rooms, and ours is flat 104. Welcome to home. Ta-da! Yes, the first up, it's our heart of our house. It's our spacious 2 BHK flat. So you can see here, as soon as you enter on your right side, you can see the open kitchen area. So this is our kitchen, and this is our bachelor things which we have in our fridge. And hardly in a week we used to cook like 4 to 5 times in a week. So this is our kitchen setup with full of Indian masalas, because in our flat all 4 of us from India. And you can see here is masalas, there is masalas, here also masalas. It's full of garam masala. Yeah. So, and in here you can see the space for our washing machine. And this is my gym setup before. Now I used to hit the gym in the community gym only. And now whatever I had, I give it to someone else. And now we do have only the 2 gyms just for the emergency workout with the yoga mat. And the beautiful part of our room is our elegant balcony. Before I used to sit here, like especially at the night time, and now it's been long days I'm not sitting here, so now it's got totally messy and with full of dust. So especially like in when you're sitting in the summer, it's too hot. It doesn't matter it's night or morning, and in the winter at night it's amazing. Like especially when there is a full moon, if I sat with my journal, oh my god, I used to spend here like 3 to 4 hours, like sometimes like midnight, 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock to till early morning 4:30, and yeah, this is our balcony. And yeah, so this is our flat. In our flat we are four of us, so me and my chef, like in one room in the master bedroom, and in the other room there is one more chef with a steward team leader. And if you're a supervisor or manager level, you will get a 1 bhk flat for you alone. And I never felt like as a staff home, you know, because I still remember that as in my previous like back to back property in same flat, like it was a 2 bhk flat. We were around like 12 people in that room. You believe it or not, it was 12 people in our 2 bhk flat. Like each room has a bunker bed, and I know like still some of the companies providing accommodation for their employees like that, like you know, like as a bunker bed. I feel so lucky for that, like to be here, because no more I'm not staying in that the bunker beds like as a hostel guy. And that's why I said before, it totally depends which property you're working for, if in case if you're working for any 2-star and 3 stars, because when I started my career in 2-star property, and still they're providing the beds like you know, like as a bunker beds. And now I'm gonna take you to my room tour. So while let's go. And this is the already the kitchen area which I showed you before, and once you entered for your left side, here you will get the rooms. So that one is the main room. That's the main room which is ours. I told you for the steward leader and the one more chef. But for this room you will get a toilet in the outside like this. This is the outside toilet area. And next is our paradise. So this is our room, and compared to the other room which I showed you before, this is much more spacious and so huge. And the plus point of this room is comes along with this attached toilet like this. Yes, so along with this bathtub. The other room which I showed you before, that one don't have the bathtub. And this is my bed, and that is my chef bed, and these are all my study material you can see here. Yes, these are all completely, it's full of my study materials, like you know, like still I don't feel like I'm going to work. Like after finish my work, I used to study, I used to work. And these are all the script for the next vlogs, and this is a lot. And yes, the special part is this is my classes. This is how I study the Russian language. It's full of I write a lot. So every classes whatever I started, I used to write here. And this is how I started by learning you know, that ABCD in Russian. And these are all my small books collection. This is a lot actually. In this, full of my favorite is the first one. This is my in my language actually. This is in Kannada. ಅವಳು ಬದುಕ ಕಲಿಸಿದವಳು ತುಂಬಾ ಕಲಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. This one, Fyodor Dostoevsky, the meek one. I had one more book from Dostoevsky. I think I gave it to someone. Before, the wall is full of with philosophers. Now I do have only Osho. Actually, is an Indian philosopher. And before I have Kafka, Fyodor Dostoevsky, Camus. And the next part is next to my bed. I always keep this self journal. So this is what I wrote. I printed out this thing. Actually, this is the book. I didn't get the book on that time, so I printed this in online. And next, these are all my journals. So actually, like since I came to level, I almost finished 2.5 journal, and this is the current journal which I'm right now. I'm writing in this level diary only. And yeah, this is my journal. The thing is, you know, like it's not about my glory, it's not about my happiness. Like it's include everything. Sometimes when I feel lonely, when I feel bored, when I feel whatever I feel, everything I used to write here. And this is the before one. I used to write in a different language. For middle of that, I left few pages. Then again I started. It's full of this back. So it was full of almost everything is finished.
So whatever I had, this is the big part. I don't want to reveal this one. Yes, and this is our. Let me keep it here. And yes, so this is the small room tour about me and myself, about my study material. So whatever I had. So hope you like this video. And now let's go out.
So that was all about our room tour, and now I'm gonna take you to the outside. So let's explore what we have in our room. So this is our lobby area. So this is the area which we used to wait, and let's go out. This is the area. Our building is Al Rams 10. In here we have a two-part. Other area, which means from the supermarket to other side, it's Al Tamam, and this is all over the buildings are Al Ramt. If you go on this way, I'm gonna take you to the pool now. If you guys remember in the beginning of the video, I was there on the top. This is the cricket playground area, and it's locked now. It's probably gonna open around like 5 o'clock onwards. This is the pool area. Let's go inside. I'm gonna show you this pool now. The thing is, like, it doesn't matter wherever you're heading. There are two pools. One is here and one is the big pool is other side. I'm gonna take you to the big pool there. And if you want to access, you need this card all the time. You just need to tap the card like this, and it's gonna open. And this is a major difference when it comes to your YouTube vlogging. So he said, like, camera, DSLR camera is strictly not allowed. So this is what the difference when you're shooting your videos in mobile or action camera or in DSLR camera. Some of the areas, especially when in Dubai, like when you're shooting your videos with this kind of camera, like, yeah, it's strictly not allowed, and you have to obey for those rules. This is Dubai. And this is the playground area, and here there are two playgrounds are here. So one is with for the kids, and also that is for also for the kids. And that's the football playground, and we recently had our football match here. And there it's a volleyball playground area, and that's a supermarket. You know what? And the best part of in Rimram is, especially when you're walking early morning or else late in the evening, you can play along with these kids. If it is not like this kind of cute dogs, Cosmo. So his name is Cosmo, the brave guy. Okay. You want to sniff? You want to kiss? Oh, cutie. What? Say hi. Say hi. So yeah, especially I love to walk in the evening time. You can play along with these dogs, and not only, hey, he's staring at the dog. And here is one more. Wait, I'm gonna show you. See, I told you. Here is one more guy. Hello. What's his name?
Bailey.
Bailey. Cutie. Is it okay, right? If I shoot her? Bailey. Her tail is wiggling. Okay. Bye. See you. So yeah, so this is the best part actually, like it doesn't matter how much you're in stress, like after you had a long shift, but still if you're taking a walk for a couple of minutes here, you will feel relaxed, and I love it. This is our community. This is the parking area which we have, and you can see from my left side, this is the Rimram Center, and also we do have a clinic here. It's a Aster clinic, and there is one more food court is there, and this is also the food court. And in the other corner you can see the Domino's. If you walk from here for next 5 to 10 minutes, on the other corner we have a Carrefour, and the mosque is there, and also like KFC, and some of the other shops are there. And this is the supermarket. Let's go grab something. In one word to say, I'm a bit scared, like I'm a bit scared too. I don't know like whether it's allowed to shoot here or not. If someone come to me and I say, bro, you have to delete this video, I don't have any other option, and I have to delete this video. And also here we have a chicken, mutton, and that's a chicken and beef section. Here we have our fresh seafood and some tiger prawns here. Okay, I'm feeling thirsty. Let's grab something. Milk. Let's grab the deep milk. So this is my favorite. Oh my god, it seems like too busy today. Yeah, it is. Everyone is billing a lot and I'm here, I'm just waiting for here to take only one. There you go. Good, how are you?
Good.
How's Ramadan going?
Safe.
I'll pay by card, huh? Done?
I'm gonna go work. Yeah, done.
Done? Sure.
Thank you.
Thanks, huh? See ya. Oh my god, it seems like it's too busy today. Ooh. Hey, good evening, bro. Actually, he's our gym guy. So this is the only supermarket which is so close to my accommodation, and Carrefour is there, but it's too far, and I don't want to go there all the time. So after my balcony, this playground area, it's my second favorite place, and this is the way to a pool. So let's go. I'll show you our pool. This is the big pool which we have compared to the size and deep. This is so big. But actually in this pool nobody's are there. I'm gonna take you to the quick tour of our pool. So this is the big pool which we have. So as I said before, the depth of this pool around like 5.8, and you feel so relaxed. Weekly twice I used to come before, now I stopped due to winter. It's so cold, but most of the times the water temperature is around like 28 or 29. It's still cool. Well, so this is all about hotelier room tour and community vlog. Hope you guys are like this video. If you guys have any doubts or any concerns, feel free to comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, ring the bell icon. See you in next video. Love you all. Take care. Bye.